Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $3018.035. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances are high that if the price sustain above this level, we can see there is a chances that it can move further upside. If you have seen today, what we have seen, it is a less volatile market. Okay, for the price of gold, it has made a half around 32.9, and from there we have seen a low of around $12.2. Okay, chances are high that if the price keep moving above a level of around 30.30, we can see it will cross a level of around 30.32 and chance of touching 30.37 we can see. Once started sustaining above this level, probability is high that it can touch a level of 30.40, and from there a chances of going further upside will be there. But if you look at this particular trend, chances are high that if the price started falling again below a level of 30.13, we can see there will be higher chances of going further low, because if you look at this trend, there is a pattern forming. If you look at this, narrow pattern is forming, so chances are high we can see a further downfall if the price started going below 30.13. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, see, now the dollar index is trading at a level of around $104.2, now $3.5. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a chances that we can see if the price sustaining this level, a further upside we can see, and then it can move above a level of $104.4, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and from there it will touch a level of 104.6. And once the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards 105.24 will be there, and if the price moving above that level, a probability of touching 1.5.4 is there. Suppose if the price started going above that particular level, chance of touching 1.56 will be there, and once started going above this level, probability of touching 106.7 is there after crossing a level of 106.5. Okay, now once the price started going below that level, we will see it will fall below a level of 104, and if the price started going below this level, chance of touching 103.6 will be there, and then we can see it will fall further low towards 103.1, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see, so chances are high it will touch a level of 102.7, and then a further fall we can see towards 101.7 and to a level of 101.4. Okay, keeping that in mind, if the price started going below this level, we can see level $100.1 and then a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, you have to understand, see, when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down, and if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high the price will go towards a level of around $33. Okay, and this level is already weak, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and then it will touch a level of 30.35. okay, which is at today's high. If you can see, 30.32 is at today's high, so chances are high it will cross this level and it will go towards 30.35, and from there it will touch a level of 30.38, and this level is already weak, so chances are high the price will move further upside and it will go towards a level of 30.49, and we can see it will go above a level of around 30.53, and if the price moving above that level, a probability of touching a level of 30.59 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. So you can trail your SL by $5 because the movement is not that big, so we can see, but if the movement is big or event is coming, then you can keep your quantity half, increase your target and SL by twice, then you can capture a big movement towards good side on both the side if you are trading on whichever side you are in. Okay, now as I have explained you, market is uncertain, so you have to understand, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see the price can come down towards a level of 30.09, and once started going below this level, chance of touching 30.04 is there. If the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 30,000, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances are high the price will go further low, and we can see a level of 29.90, and if the price moving below that level, we can see a level of $29.88. If the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 29.78 we can see, and if the price going below that particular level, we will see it will touch a level of $29.57. Then we can see a bounce back can come, but if it started falling below this level, we can see a level of $29.42, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $29.33. Okay. So we can see a bounce back, but if it started going below this level, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel,